Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this rotating animation on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to use this for the video, I guess. And I'm just going to go to cutout and I'm just going to delete the background for this. And I'm also going to add in a canvas just because you don't have to do what I'm doing here. I just want to add in canvas here. Okay, now go to the basic video and I'm just going to scale it down a little bit, and I'm going to make it kind of like roll around like a ball. So add a keyframe here, and then at the end you're just going to want to move it to the right, and you're going to just rotate it a few times. If you want it like super slow, just rotate it a little bit. If you want it super fast, rotate it a lot. So as you can see, this is super slow because I only rotated it a few times. But what if you want like really fast? Just rotate it a few times, and as you can see, it's going to go a little bit faster. Like there's going to be more rotation, I guess, to the video. like that. But I prefer like the slower version better. Oops, I don't know why it became like this. Oh, because I didn't add in rotation. Like that. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.